Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve a high school physics competition problem. So we have a ball that bounces vertically on a steel plate. Okay, the bouncing is not elastic, so every time it loses some speed. For example, if the ball go down at vi, so when it bounce back, the speed become vi alpha. Alpha is less than 1. So here alpha is less than 1. So this is not an elastic case. It loses energy at every bouncing. So we want to know which of the following graph best show the time between the successive bounces, or tau, as a function of the time t. It is the constant line, or this one, or that one. This is a curve. This is like a curve. Okay. So as we can see, because at every bouncing, the energy is lost to some degree. So when it bounces back, the speed goes down. So the period of tau will become smaller and smaller. So this is not likely the case. So we already exclude this case. So we want to know which one that describe this relation between tau and t. So let's look at the first case. So assume at t0, the ball hit the surface, and then it bounces up, it goes up, and then it will go down. Because it go up at the speed of vi alpha, so it will go to a height of vi alpha over g. This is a very simple expression. So I think if you learn any speed versus gravity, you can derive these results. So I'm not going to show details how to derive these results. So we know that the ball goes up, and then it goes to a maximum point and stop, and then it begins to go down again. So the time that it goes from the ground to the highest point will be vi alpha over g. Again, then it will go down and do the second bouncing. So the time between the highest point to the surface would be another vi alpha g. So this means tau 1 is twice the vi alpha over g, or let's write a better way, 2 alpha vi over g. And then let's look at the nth case. So, and the ball just at this point just finished bouncing from the surface. So the speed is vi alpha n. So then the time it goes from the surface to the highest point will be vi alpha ng, and then it goes down. The time it goes from this highest point to the ground will be another vi alpha n over g. So tau n is 2 vi alpha n over g, or g 2 alpha n vi. Okay. So the total time will be total time from time 0 to this point. When we finish the nth bouncing will be t total. We assume tn because it represents the case where the nth bouncing has just finished. So tn is tau 1 plus tau 2 plus all the way to tau n. So that's we plug this here. So it becomes 2 vig. That's a common factor. So it's alpha plus alpha 2 plus in the end alpha n. So now we need to know what is alpha plus alpha 2 plus all the way to alpha n. So we need to have some training in math to get this answer quickly. Or if you have a good brain, you can memorize the results. But let's derive it here directly. So we assume this expression is equal to x. So let's quickly write here. X is like that, alpha 2 plus alpha n. Now let's do some tricks. We multiply alpha here, so it become this one become alpha 2, right? Alpha 2, and then next one, so alpha n become alpha n plus 1. Yeah. So okay, so there's this kind of relationship. Okay, so now we subtract the first line from the second line. So that's alpha x minus x that equal to alpha minus 1 x equal to, so this one subtract that one, so it become alpha n plus 1 minus alpha. I think we can see that easy, right? So get x equal to alpha n plus 1 minus alpha minus 1. Make it clean it up. Alpha over 1, alpha n minus 1. Let's make sure we have the right result. Yes. So we plug this back here. So Tn is 2VIG. This is x. We already calculated x to be here. Alpha minus 1, alpha n minus 1. So now we know that tau n is this. Tau n is here. So this so 2vi over g alpha n will become tau n. So we to make it more clear, we move this term to the left side. So alpha Tn is 2VIG alpha n minus, remember we already moved this to left, 2VIG. So this term 2 alpha n VIG, that's tau n. So it's tau n minus 2VIG. VIG are just constants. So now we have tau n equal, we move this to the right side, 2VIG plus Tn. Because alpha is less than 1, so we write it in another form, 2VIG minus so this is a constant. 1 minus alpha over alpha is also another constant. That's called constant 1, constant 2. So from this expression, then we know this is the right answer. And then this is not the right answer. So thank you for viewing. If you like my tutorial, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.